If you're living with exhaustion that never goes away, brain fog, overwhelm slowing you down, pain that shows up uninvited, holding you back, or even unpredictable intestines and mood swings that prevent you from making plans or even sticking to them, keep listening. I am Shana Melissa Stockman, a fellow autoimmune warrior and the autoimmune expert, as well as a nationally board certified nurse practitioner, an RN for over 33 years that empowers mostly ladies to get and feel better while reducing their signs, symptoms, autoimmune flares, and reliance on meds. So if you're lacking that energy in your body, just won't listen to what your mind and your heart's telling you what to do, then this is for you. Attend our live Reclaim Your Life super workshop that you can do from the comfort of your couch. It's not a 5-day challenge, a 3-day challenge, or even a 3-hour. It's a 1-hour hour. And to make sure that you can attend, there's a no cost and a VIP experience. So what you're going to do now is just pick no cost or level up to the VIP experience. Mark your calendars. Most importantly, show up for yourself because you are worthy. You are deserving to treat yourself as good, if not better, than you treat everyone